In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate content with content assistance in HubSpot marketing emails. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website as your starting point. On their homepage, look for the login option, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on login. This step will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so have those ready. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home interface, which serves as the control center for managing your marketing efforts. Now that you're in, the next step is to access the marketing tools. In the navigation menu, you'll see various options, and one of them will be labeled marketing. Go ahead and click on that. This action opens up a drop-down menu or a new page depending on your setup, filled with all sorts of marketing utilities that HubSpot offers. Among these options, you'll find email. Click on email to access your email toolset, where you can create, edit, and manage your marketing emails. Once you're on the email dashboard, you'll want to locate the email you wish to work on. Hover over it and you'll see an edit option appear, which is your cue to dive into the editing interface. Click on edit to bring up the email editor. In the editor, identify the specific block of text that you want to enhance using content assistance. This could be anything from your email subject line to the body content that you feel needs a little boost. After highlighting or selecting the text you wish to modify, you'll notice an option called Generate with Copilot. Clicking on this feature engages HubSpot's AI-powered tool to assist you in creating content, providing you with suggestions that align with the tone and purpose of your campaign. This step is incredibly handy for when you're experiencing writer's block or simply want to elevate your email content with a fresh perspective. And there you have it, a smooth and efficient way to improve your email marketing content using HubSpot's content assistance. As always, once you've generated the content, you have the freedom to tweak it further to suit your specific style and needs. Make sure to review all suggestions carefully to ensure they align with your brand's voice and messaging goals. This way you can create engaging, persuasive emails that resonate well with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as useful as I do in your marketing endeavors.